Here in Dexol, we advise the customers to change the oil based on what transmission you have. If you're having 3-speed, 4-speed transmission, we are using Dexol 3 oil that you can change every 15,000 kilometers. If you're having 6-speed, 5-speed, and 7-speed transmission, we use Dexol full synthetic oil, which you can change every 25,000 kilometers above 100,000 and 40,000 kilometers below 100,000. If you're having CVT transmission, we use Dexol CVT oil that you can change every 25,000 kilometers above 100,000 and 40,000 kilometers below 100,000. Here in Dexol, we're using OEM transmission oil for Ford and GM transmission for 8-speed, 9-speed, and 10-speed transmission that you can change every 40,000 kilometers. Also, here in Dexol, we're having ZF transmission oil for 6-speed, 8-speed, and 9-speed transmission, which you can change every 50,000 kilometers.